Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. This is a Mass Olympiad question based on number theory. Question is given A, B, C are non-negative real numbers. Prove that A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4 is greater than equals to product of ABC and whole A plus B plus C. So let's proceed. This question is can be very easily proved if we take the concept that is your if x1, x2, x3 up to xn are non-negative real numbers. And the arithmetic mean of the numbers is always greater than equals to geometric mean. So how to write the arithmetic number of these numbers, n numbers? It will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn whole divided by n is greater than equal to their geometric mean is written in this way n x1 x2 x3 up to xn. So now I will take the numbers here given that only three numbers a4 b4 and c4, and we have to prove that ABC are when non-negative, then A4, B4, power 4, C power 4 are also non-negative or positive. So I can apply this concept here. What I'll do, I'll apply a trick, that is, I'll take four numbers at a time. So first I'm taking A power 4, again A power 4, B power 4 and C power 4. Then their arithmetic mean will be A4 plus A4 plus B4 plus C4 divided by 4 is greater than equal to, here the GM will be fourth root of A4, A4, B4, C4. This is my in equation 1. Next I will take the number B4, B4, C4 and A4. There I will get B4 plus B4 plus C4 plus A4 divided by 4, arithmetic mean is greater than equals to, their geometric mean will be B4, B4, C4, A4. This is my in equation 2. Next, what left? You must be guessing. It will be C4, C4, B4, A4. So here C4 plus C4 plus B4 plus A4 whole divided by 4 is greater than equals to fourth root of C4, C power 4, A power 4, B power 4. This is in equation 3. Now we'll add these three in equations. So in the left side I'll get how many A4? It will be here 2 A4, here it is 1, where it is 1. So 4 A4 plus 4 B4 power 4, not B4, 4 power C4 whole divided by 4 is greater than equals to your, you're just simplifying the first one. Here it will be, it will take the fourth root, it will be a square bc. Yes, so this will be a square bc plus b square ca plus c square ab. Now 4 will be cancelled, so I am getting a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 is greater than equals to, here I'll take abc within bracket a plus b plus c. So hence proved. Let me explain once if it is not clear. This equals to greater than equals to your fourth root of a8 b4 c4. So I'll take, this is same equals to a square, taking fourth root b and c, and this will be your b square ca, and this will be c square ba. So thank you for watching.